Hello friends! As One Happy Island reopens its sunny shores to visitors, we've reimagined the Aruba.com experience to provide the official, up-to-date information for travel planning, important procedures, and more. This quick tutorial will show you the highlights. Visit www.aruba.com and select your language. Directly on the homepage, you'll find the most updated information on reopening dates by region and country. Scrolling down, you'll find a mosaic of tiles that link directly to pages with specific information on traveler requirements, Aruba's health and safety measures, flight schedules, and more. Let's take a look. Click here for an overview of Aruba's Health and Happiness Code and learn about the stringent cleanliness and hygiene protocols put in place for all businesses in Aruba. You can easily click by category and see which of Aruba's businesses have achieved the certification seal. Everything from accommodation to retail shops, tour operators, and more. You can also link out to download the Aruba Health app and have a list of certified businesses right in the palm of your hand. Now let's explore the Visitor's Guide to Safe and Happy Travels, a step-by-step guide with important information for each stage of your travel journey to Aruba. From preparing at home, to Aruba airport procedures, to what to expect when you're in Aruba, such as beaches, food and beverage establishments, public transportation, and more. You can watch the videos for each section
arriving at the airport a minimum
or download a PDF to have handy at any time. The Traveler Health Requirements page has all the essential must-read, in-depth information about the new rules, regulations, and procedures for traveling to Aruba. Importantly, you will find details on the online embarkation-disembarkation card process, which needs to be completed and approved in order to be permitted entry to Aruba. You'll find information on PCR testing requirements, requisite insurance coverage, health procedures at the Aruba airport, and more. You'll also find all the details on the Government of Aruba's procedures and protocols for showing symptoms and/or testing positive for COVID-19 while in Aruba. In addition, we've included a frequently asked questions section for your quick reference. If you're looking for some inspiration and explanation on why you should feel confident in choosing Aruba, we've highlighted the top 8 reasons why Aruba is a safe, smart, rejuvenating escape. You can learn more about the island-wide commitment to safety, Aruba's offers to make your vacation even more affordable, our wide open spaces and national park, Aruba's modern infrastructure, and more. Also importantly, as travel resumes, we want to make sure you are updated on the air service to Aruba. Clicking here will take you to the Aruba Airport Authority's official website, where you will find the latest information on what airlines have service to Aruba and how frequently they fly. We encourage you to explore Aruba.com and learn about all the important details and procedures. Also, please check back often as information is updated as the travel situation develops. And if you have any questions, you can contact the Aruba Tourism Authority directly via email at support@aruba.com. Be safe, and we hope to see you in sunny Aruba soon.